Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make butter chicken or also known as murg makhani. Let's get into the marination. In a large bowl, add 500 grams of boneless chicken. Here I am using with bones, and add a half cup of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt to taste. Mix it well, ensuring each piece is well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to melt. While chicken is getting marinated, let's take the ingredients what is needed for chicken gravy. We need ginger garlic paste, half cup of cashew nuts soaked in water. This we have to blend it into smooth paste. Chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, jeera powder, coriander powder, 2 tomatoes, we have to puree that one, 2 onions, medium sized onions, butter and oil. The cashews we have to make it a paste, and the tomatoes to puree. Now let's cook the chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Place the marinated chicken pieces into the pan, cooking until they are slightly charred and cooked. Want more mouth-watering recipes? Do subscribe now and let's keep cooking together. While the chicken is getting cooked, let's make cashews into smooth paste and the tomato puree and cut the onions into pieces. Parallelly, we have to check the chicken pieces whether it is cooked while stirring in between. Once done, remove the chicken and set it aside. Now let's do the gravy part. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Once it is hot, add in chopped onions. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until it's golden brown. Cooking until its raw aroma is gone. Pour in the puree of 2 tomatoes, followed by 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and a pinch of salt. Remember, we have added salt to the chicken also. Cook this mixture until the oil begins to separate from the masala. Add the cashew nut paste and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, you can check the salt I felt the gravy is little thick, so I added a quarter cup of hot water. You can see the oil is getting separated. Now is the time to add the chicken pieces. Stir in well the pieces with the gravy. And let it cook for 5 minutes while closing the lid. Let's open, and I can see the oil is getting separated. If you prefer a hint of sweetness, you can add a half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, add the chopped coriander leaves, a final check of salt again. Stir in little fresh cream. I'm using Amul fresh cream. Mix thoroughly for rich and creamy texture. And switch off the stove. Now your butter chicken is ready. Garnish your butter chicken with freshly chopped coriander leaves and a drizzle of cream. Serve it hot alongside naan, roti or steamed rice. Enjoy your homemade butter chicken. Happy cooking!